All right, so here's today. I just finished my bike ride. I gotta commit better to the cardio. I've been sort of slacking, but I gotta stretch. My legs and back are killing me, so I'm gonna stretch a bit right now, and then I gotta get on with my day. Gonna try and get to some kind of workout later on, but I'm not exactly sure what or when. So I got a list of things to do, but man, it just seemed all right. So I got some exciting stuff in the mail. This is my new hat from Fitness Inc. That's not so new. It's been on a video before, but I just put it on because my hair is a mess. I'm going to do a workout in a little while, but before I do, I wanted to show something I got in the mail. Check it out. Golden Era Athletics hoodie. Boom. Sweet. Pick the maroon because it's different. And of course, this is a 2XL. It fits kind of small. So if I'm going to order another one, I'm getting a 3X because this is a little bit fitted. But I guess if you're wearing it in the gym, you probably want it to be smaller. But I generally don't work out with a hoodie on, so I just get too warm. Iron. Anyway, that's pretty cool. The next one is this. Tank top. Gonna show all my muscles. It's got the Arnold classic little pose there. And this one is my favorite, I think. Favorite throwback Golden Era. Vince's Gym. So you might recognize these from if you watch Arnold's Pumping Iron, the original video of him and all the old professors back in the good old days at Venice Beach, at I guess it was Gold's Gym, World Gym. There's a story behind all that. Joe Weider had to sell it and change the name and all that. But anyway, it's the old one right down there on the beach where they used to just work out on the beach. Arnold was wearing all this type of stuff. So these are throwbacks and you can order them now. So anyway, pretty darn cool. I'm going to be working out in Arnold's throwbacks. The problem is they're all cotton. So they're going to be kind of clammy, but whatever. I'm pretty excited. So that's my my order. So now I got to get myself together and get to the gym. I've got some other stuff that I'm going to be talking about here. in the next couple of weeks or something. I'm going to get my DNA tested so that I know exactly what to eat, exactly what supplements will benefit me, what foods I should avoid, what my body can't use. So it's going to be pretty exciting. I'll document all that too and keep that information out there for everybody. And I really think that it's going to be good for me, just for health general, but also for just getting fitter. But anyway, I'll kind of keep everybody updated on that. And I already suggest that my whole family should get it done, and then friends too, check it out. But anyway, I'm gonna do it with my friend Carm. She's gonna get me set up with that, and then anyway, I'll let you know what I find out. I'm at the stairs again, obviously. It's kind of sunny out, but chilly. It's been rainy, kind of a bummer weekend, so it's kind of blah. So I wanted to get out of the house for a bit. Decided I'd come here and get sweaty for a minute. All right, well, I wasn't recording. Oh man, I just went on a good rant. I didn't get as much done as I thought I would, but maybe right around what I thought. But it just seems like it's harder. It's not getting easier. Anyway, at least it's sunny. So I'll try and do one more set just to push myself a little bit. And I'll go home and see what I can do the rest of the day. I don't know if I'll get into the gym at all, so I might be just enjoying the sun. Try to get some color. Can you see? Where are they? Those guys. Just got my tower buzzed by the security. I have no respect for authority and security. You're doing the Lord's work, trying to tell someone they can't run stairs. Go to hell. Stuff. And so my videos have been kind of sporadic. I haven't really videoed anything. Doing that I can promote his stairs. and I think everybody's kind of sick of seeing that. So anyway, I've just been kind of laying low, not much going on, just doing yard stuff. My grass is starting to grow nice, so I'm excited about that. And I've got a few things I'm puttering with, but nothing really worth videoing. So today I'm going to help my friend move some equipment and just hang out. So that's all that's going on right now. I'm assuming that pretty soon the powers that be are going to be satisfied with the amount of people who've gotten vaccinated, and they're going to start lifting restrictions. But whether or not they do, people are just not listening anymore. Cat's out of the bag. I won't get into it too much, but cat's out of the bag. So anyway, hopefully before too long, we'll be actually able to video a few things instead of just kind of nothing. So anyway, get out there and enjoy some of this sun. Summer's way too short here, so get out there. All right, so here I am. Classic me again. Never started the video on time. Here's all my parts. This is called a flat heating wire. Did anyone ever know about that? Anyway, I'm trying to fix this vacuum seal for food prep. So I've pretty much got it done, but I'm just gonna finish the tail end here, see if it worked. So obviously I've never fixed one of these before. Kind of awkward in here. Classic, don't have the right tools, but making it work. All right. Okay, I got one side done. I don't want to test it yet, but should work. Pretty pumped. All right, I think I got it. So I just put this heat tape on it now, and all done. So I'm just gonna clean up, try it out. Probably a little later on we'll fire it up and see if it works. Can't see why it wouldn't. But obviously, I've never fixed one of these before. In fact, this is the first one in my life I've ever seen. So we'll see how it works.